Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block eBay seller. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your eBay app. And as you can see, we're logged into our account. From here, you need to tap on My eBay from the bottom bar. After that, scroll down and tap on Bids and Offers. From here, you will get to see all your bids and offers that are active. So tap on the one for which you want to block the seller. So once you're here, if you scroll through the page, you will notice there is no option to block the eBay seller. So what you can do is scroll up to the top. From here, tap on Contact Seller. After that, tap on the seller's name on the top. From here, if you scroll through, you will get to see all the items that the seller offers. Also, if you tap on About, you will get to see more information about the seller. Also, you can tap on Feedback in order to see the feedback for the seller. So now you need to go back. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and you will see an option to block this member. Tap on it. And after that, tap on Got It. And as you can see, this member is now blocked. So that is how you can block eBay seller. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.